Okay, go down the slide.
No, forever.
No, Gaby, go down the slide.
No. I can't. No. Help me.
I will help you go down the slide just like you did.
Okay, go down the slide.
I can't.
Yeah, you can.
I'm going down the hole.
No, you can't go down the pole.
Why?
Because there's too much snow.
Yeah, I do. I do go down the hole.
Gaby, go down the slide just like you did. Gabe, move away from there or you're going to fall.
No. Mommy.
I will help you as soon as you get down the slide.
Football.
Go down the slide.